It's me, Miss Hana, and I thought I would bring you a cool cooking project you can do this week for Go Green Week. All right, let's see what we're gonna need. You're gonna need some English muffins, or you can also use bagels. You're gonna need some grapes for the land, and you're going to need some blueberries for the water. And you're gonna need some cream cheese, and you're gonna need a plate, and you're going to need a butter knife. And your parents are gonna have to help you with this part. Okay, so you're going to take your cream cheese, and you're gonna put it on your bagel or your English muffin, and you're gonna have to put a good little bit so your grapes and your blueberries are gonna wanna stick. And this is gonna be the circle for our earth. We are going to make the land and the water on our earth. So you're gonna put a good amount of cream cheese so our berries will stick. Okay, good job. And now we're gonna use this for our land. And then we're gonna put some water. And then we're gonna put some more land. And there you have it. There's our earth. An easy, fun, and healthy cooking you can do at home this week for Go Green. There's your earth, there's your water, your land. I love it. So yummy. Enjoy. See you later.